Hey, nice looking Jeep, Phil.
Yeah, let me jump out and show you this thing.
Yeah, come around front here. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. Phil just backed this Jeep Liberty in here. You know, here at Dupli-Color, we're all about providing you products to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage at home. And this Jeep is no exception, right?
Yeah, today we're looking at these plastic rocker guards. They're kind of dried out, really weathered. The sun's been eating at them for years. I think they could use a little attention.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, this is pretty common with these older vehicles that bare plastic tend to get faded from UV. We need to do something about it, right?
Yeah, we need a coating on these.
All right, let's take a closer look.
Yeah, now that you get down here, you can see all these imperfections, what rocks can do and the sun and everything.
Yeah, I mean, even though this piece is down below, it's pretty faded from the sun. So, you know what will work great on this is our trim and rocker guard because it's a textured finish and it'll cover those imperfections.
Yeah, we got to hide all these rock chips.
Yeah, agree. And also, I mean, what about this piece right here?
Yeah, this piece is even more faded. It's so close being door trim. I think we should coat it as well.
Yeah, agree. So we're to leave these on the car. We're not going to take them off. We're to use maybe a little bit of adhesion promoters as bare plastic. Even though it'll go direct to bare plastic, it'll give it that added bite since it's on the bottom. So let's grab some products.
Yeah, I'll get the tape and paper.
All right. We started our prep by masking off any areas to protect from overspray using plenty of masking tape and paper. We then wiped it down using our multi-purpose foaming prep spray to remove any contaminants like road tar and dirt. We then scuffed the panel using a red scuff pad to break the smooth surface and create a mechanical bond for the paint to adhere to. But you can also use 220 to 400 grit sandpaper to get that job done. Make sure you do a final cleaning to remove the sanding residue, and if you have an air compressor, blow it off with that, or use a tack cloth to remove any dust left over. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and 10 seconds after each minute of use. Although not required, we did lay down a few coats of our plastic adhesion promoter for peace of mind, and since we had it laying around the garage, we let that dry for about 10 minutes. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Next, we applied the black trim and rocker guard by holding the can 12 to 15 inches from the surface and applied 2 to 3 light to medium coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 10 minutes between coats. It dries to the touch in 30 minutes and can be handled in 1 hour, and you can recoat it at any time. Whenever spraying, always be sure you spray in a well-ventilated area. Trim and rocker guard is a durable textured coating developed to protect vehicles from daily wear and tear and restores the cosmetic appearance of faded, worn panels and trim. It offers superior adhesion to metals, plastic, and pre-painted surfaces and designed to protect against rust and corrosion and makes it ideal for use on lower body panels, step bars, running boards, bumpers, and more. Tell you what, Phil, this trim and rocker guard texture coating really brought this Jeep to life.
Yeah, it gave this plastic a nice updated look. It's really fresh. Got rid of the scratches and all the rock chips.
Yeah, no more fading either, right?
No, it turned out great, but I see a problem here.
Yeah, these handles are really faded.
Yeah, I know what we're doing next weekend.
Yeah, don't match anymore. So what do you think? Stick with the black or go with the dark gray metallic and clear?
You know, I kind of like this gray because it's sparkly and gives it a little contrast, but I think we should stick with the black and make it all match.
Kind of go with the flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, this project took us just a couple of hours here in the shop, and this is a project that you can take care of yourself in your garage at home and be the boss of your own project. Now, if you want to find out more about these products and others from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.